I love using grains and pulses in my cooking, including chickpeas, and I really love to cook them from scratch. There's nothing that compares. Don't you think, Lorena?
They're so delicious.
Yeah.
It's very different, chickpeas from a can, to when you actually soak them and cook them. And we've got a great new little invention that Tefal's done.
Fantastic.
That actually soaks it and cooks it. So it actually cooks, Justine, 10 times faster than if you were to soak it overnight and cook it yourself.
So no soaking overnight?
No, you just add a little bit of water in here and it soaks it and cooks it in here, and they come out beautifully.
Fantastic, they do look great.
Okay, Justine, so these can come out now.
Okay.
And if you could get started on the dressing for me.
Yes, my
we're going
pleasure.
to do a lovely citrus dressing to go with our chickpea salad. And then because this is a multi-cooker, we're just going to get our chicken in there and fry that straight away.
So two purposes, not only soaks our beans, it cooks our beans, lentils, rice, and then it grills chicken.
Correct. So you've just set that to the browning function, and I'm going to press OK and open that up. And that's going to start heating up just like a regular fry pan. And then we're going to pop our chicken in there when it gets nice and hot.
Nice.
And then we're going to put that on the top of our salad when we're finished. Delicious.
I like the sound of this salad. I like the flavours that are going on. And I like how you've chosen some chicken thigh with the skin on, because that's going to blister up and get really, really crispy.
Now, if you would like to pass me just a little bit of olive oil,
Sure
we can
can.
get that browning going.
Okay, so now I've just put the zest of a whole orange and a zest of a whole lemon in there. A little bit of coriander seed, which I love when it's ground, and then some cumin.
Cumin, delicious.
And then, of course, always a good pinch of salt with a dressing. And I might use that olive oil there, which is a medium-bodied olive oil, good quality, extra virgin olive oil.
And some pepper. Delicious.
And then just for a little bit more acid, I might just add a little hint of lemon juice. I'll squeeze that in there and I'll catch the seeds with my hands.
Okay.
Give that a whisk.
All right, Justine, that looks great.
Okay.
It's got a beautiful colour. Now, if you could help me with a little bit more of the prep in grating a little bit of carrot and slicing the shallot.
Can do.
And I'll just get this chicken going. So we're going to put 2 pieces at a time. Oh, can you hear that sizzle? That's beautiful.
Good sizzle.
Just not to crowd the pan. We don't want it to stew. We want to get that nice little crispy crust on the chicken. So I'm going to cook the chicken 4 to 5 minutes on each side, and then I'll just repeat the process.
Great.
Our chicken is done and it's looking absolutely delicious and golden. I'm just going to put a little bit of extra salt on there. And now it's just time to assemble the salad. So if you'd like to get the chickpeas in there.
Sure can.
And I'm going to pick some beautiful mint and coriander. Do you like the whole leaves like that?
I do.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
they might as well make them a big hero in the salad.
Nice and visual, isn't it?
And I'm going to add all of this crunchy carrot that I've finely chopped with a big handful of the shallots.
And now this salad is just going to be so healthy with those lovely chickpeas that haven't taken us very long to cook at all. And it's good to incorporate more beans and lentils and pulses in our diet, isn't it?
Yeah, so true. Okay, so we've just added some raisins and some delicious pistachios. I'm going to leave them whole. This is like a really chunky, rustic salad, so might as well go for it. And then
mix it all together, and then I'll pop the chicken on the top.
And you could probably chop up that chicken with the skin because it's so crispy and serve it in the salad, or you could serve it on the side like we're doing because it's still warm, isn't it?
It's just beautiful. So are we ready for the chicken?
All right, let's plate this up, Lorena.
So colourful.
All right.
And then the chicken on the sides. Shall we put 3 pieces just like that?
Yeah, I'm hungry. 3 pieces.
And that looks lovely with our salt.
Great.
And then we just need to put a little dollop of yogurt on the top and our dish is done.
All right, so a dollop of yogi.
So healthy, so pretty.
Wow, there you go. Quite impressed with that.
It's delicious, easy, and just so tasty.
It is indeed, and you know what, we use chicken, but by all means you could grill some fish. That also goes really well with chickpeas that have been made just like this.